Hello, my name is Teacher Mick. Welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. On this channel, I will teach you clear and simple English. To get the best from this channel, you must repeat the basic lessons every day until you can recognize all 26 letters. In these videos, I will use basic words, short sentences, and easy examples. This channel is for everyone who wants to understand English better and speak more clearly. If you want to learn English step by step, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you. Let's start and make English easy together. From ABC to reading, learn with Teacher Mick.
Lesson 11, the letter X, Part 2.
The letter X has 3 different sounds. In this lesson, we're doing X. Repeat after me. X, X, X. Look at the different pictures and see if you know what the words are.
Look at this lady. She's going to be served. And the answer is next, next, next. When you show your muscles, you can. And the answer is flex, flex, flex. When you receive a message, you get a. And the answer is text, text, text. This is a hard one. What makes the wheels on the car go around? And the answer is axle, axle, axle. She has so many, she has. And the answer is extra, extra, extra. A small square that makes up a picture. And the answer is pixel, pixel, pixel. When you're at the beach, you can. And the answer is relax, relax, relax. What is he? He is a. And the answer is boxer, boxer, boxer. They are the same, but they are different colors. It is a. And the answer is mixture, mixture, mixture. You learn from these at school. It is a. And the answer is textbook, textbook, textbook. What was your score? Wow, well done. Tell me your score in the comments below.
That was your introduction to the letter X. X, X. Stay tuned for the next lesson about X. Thank you to my subscribers and goodbye.
Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick.